Hey, Rob here with Never Too Old. I was out metal detecting today and I was near the Christensen Nature Center. So I thought, hey, why not go for a short hike too? Looks like there's a $3 day use fee if you're not a member. So we'll go pay that and be on our way. Drop our money off and be on our way. They do have a map here. And just a quick note, across the road is the Rogue River State Game Area, and the North Country Trail goes through that. We're just gonna start walking and just walk all over the place, not even look at the map. And we're on our way. I remember coming here, I think it was fifth grade, for field trips. We came in the spring, fall, and winter. I feel like if you're a solo hiker and you're kind of nervous about being out by yourself, this would be a pretty good place to be. Seems to be a lot of activity around. Nice easy trails so far. You have random benches along the trail so you can sit down and rest. This would be a good place if you just had like an hour to kill and wanted to get out, stretch your legs, have a nice walk in the woods. Looks like we're going down into these cedars and hemlocks. Nice bench there for you to take a break. Look at this bad boy. This thing's huge. Wow. Wonder how old it is. Going through this little swampy area on this boardwalk. Christensen Nature Center is located between Kent City and Cedar Springs, Michigan, off of Red Pine Drive, near the Rogue River State Game Area. The last few hiking videos hasn't been my normal style of video. I'm doing some shorter trails and that, just to show you guys that you don't have to be in the greatest shape or get way away from a town to get out and have a little adventure. Look up your nearest nature center, nature preserve. There's a lot of them close to towns. And like I said, if you don't want to be out there by yourself, these are good places to go. There's usually people around. I'll be getting back to my longer hikes on the North Country Trail and other trails very soon. I just had some requests for the short trail, so I'd like to accommodate those requests too. I wouldn't say these trails are handicap accessible, but I do think as long as you haven't had much rain, you could push wheelchairs down through most of these trails. Going around the swamp. Nice stream right here. Nice walk through the pines. Tons of minnows down there. Looks to be some small perch. That's just over on the other side, like 5 minutes ago. There's a leech swimming. Well, I'm back at the parking lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, you're never too old for adventure, no matter how big or small it may be. We'll see you on the trail next time. Have a good day.